and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the stone Blue Aventurine, the stone of inner strength. For those who've watched my guided meditations before, welcome back, and I hope you enjoy this one as well. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, listening to the areas of your life that it could support, and deciding if it's a stone that you would like to work with more. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of Blue Aventurine, then I will link that in the eye above. In case you want to pause this video, watch that one, and get a feel for the supportive benefits of that stone before you sit in the guided meditation. So, for the meditation, that you'll need 2 things. If you have Blue Aventurine, then this is a good time to go get that and set that by your meditation area. But you don't need a gemstone to benefit from this guided meditation. If any of the prompts in this meditation really call to you, they feel familiar, or they trigger you, then that's a sign that you should get some Blue Aventurine and work with it some more. The second thing that you'll need is a comfortable seat, and that could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, directly on the ground outside, just as long as you can sit comfortable and alert for about 10 minutes while we go through this guided meditation. So if you have been watching my videos and you feel that they've been really helpful for you and you haven't subscribed, then please do subscribe so you don't miss a single gemstone video. So if you have your gemstone, or you're ready to picture it in your mind, and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. I invite you to take a few slow, deep breaths, close your eyes, and settle into your breathing. Allow yourself to separate from the activities of your day and just bring your awareness to your breathing and what it feels like to breathe right now. Notice if it feels smooth and easy. You can open your chest pretty wide with your breath, or if it feels tight or constricted, just notice how it feels. And bring your awareness to your body and notice what sensations you might be feeling right now. And what emotions might be sitting with you in your heart space today. Notice the state of your mind. Is it calm or busy with thought? And we're not trying to change anything or make it a certain way. We're just checking in with ourselves to see how we're feeling right now. And then bringing your attention to those places on your body that touch the cushion or the chair, ground beneath you, and recognize that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, directly over its center. And you are supported by the entire mass of the earth, and you have access to all of its healing energy. And the earth will support and protect you during this guided meditation today. If you do have the blue aventurine, then place that in your non-dominant hand, your receiving hand. And this will receive the energies of the blue aventurine today. And if you don't have a piece of this stone, then picture in your mind a pale blue stone, a little bit of flickering, like a tiny bit of glitter in it. And if you're holding the stone, then take a minute to get to know your piece of blue aventurine. How much does it weigh in your hand? How does its surface feel? Are any parts rough? Which parts are smooth? And take a minute to sit with your blue aventurine. And then imagine that you're sitting in a boat, floating on a vast body of water. And know that you will be supported and safe until you can find land. And sit with this image of blue aventurine energy for a minute. Blue aventurine is the stone of inner strength. And as you hold or imagine this gemstone, then consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Are you currently experiencing a difficult time in your life? Is a loved one going through a challenging time and needs your support? Do you feel off or unbalanced, either physically or energetically, and you're not sure why? Have you been stuck in negative thought cycles or habits and can't seem to break free of them? Do you need to release some deep-held beliefs that might be holding you back in life? Blue Aventurine supports you in all of these life situations. And if one of these questions stood out to you more than the others, then bring that situation to your heart, to your body and mind. And we'll sit with that for another minute or two while you hold the Blue Aventurine. Notice if anything feels different to you about this situation since you've been holding the Blue Aventurine. And then bring your awareness back to your body and your heart and your mind and see if anything feels different since you started this meditation. And then release the image of the Blue Aventurine energy and the situation that you had been sitting with, and then just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today to sit with a Blue Aventurine guided meditation. And if you did find this useful and you feel like Blue Aventurine is a stone that you would like to work with some more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the energy of the Blue Aventurine when you need it. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom works, knowing what situations in life that you would like to support with, knowing which gemstones will help you, and using them when you need them. So thank you so much for joining me today and sitting with Blue Aventurine. If you are new to this channel, I post about a different gemstone every single week. So if you're really interested in learning how the power of crystals and gemstones can really help you change your life, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the next video.